New Eve, on a train bound for nowhere, met up with a gambler. We were both too tired, so we took turns staring at the darkness at the window. Till boredom overtook us. We began to speak. He said, son, I made
Kita
my
lihat
life
permainan mamaknya, kolaborasi
reading
mamak dengan
people's faces, knowing what the cards were by the way they hit
satu
them
gol kan,
right.
mantap.
And if you don't
Sekarang
mind
kita
to
kita tunggu dulu nih, nomor 3 gimana permainannya? Ini ada Roni, ini ada. Ya karena aku nak main, udah gantian.
So I handed him
Main
my
sudah, ini
bottle,
ada berapa masih.
drank down my last swallow.
Maki.
Then he bought a cigarette and asked me for a light.
Ya,
The
kita
night
akan
got
lebih ya,
deathly quiet, and his face lost all expression. Said, if you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting.
Dari seragam ya.
When the dealing's
Kamu udah
done.
boleh lanjut sana. Kamu lebih baik. Kemarin ini lagi nomor.
Now every gambler knows the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser, and the best you can hope for is to die in your sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turned back toward the window,
Sebelah ini.
crushed out his cigarette, faded off to sleep. Then somewhere in the darkness, the gambler he broke even, but in his final words I found a ace that I can keep. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run.
Yeah.
You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. Time enough for counting. When the dealing's done, you got to know when to hold 'em,
Oke, itulah indahnya ya permainan. Lihat dia bersama tadi serius kamu.
know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money.
Ya enak mainnya.
Sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting.
Main masih skor.
When the dealing's done, you got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money.
Dua.
When you're
Ayo Ki,
sitting
semangat Ki,
at
semangat
the
Ki.
table, there'll be time enough for counting. When the dealing's done.
Ini Pak Eri ini kemarin di Payakumbuh, sekarang udah nyampe nih Pak Yayan. Iya, ini manajer apa nih Bandung FC. Memang pindah yang liga bukan Bandung, yang liga family MC. Nah, ini manajer Paliko semalam di Telawi Pak Eri, Pak Jerry kan. Ya, luar biasa Pak Eri kan. Duduk itu lah, hitung analisa itu Bayu tuh, luar biasa. Tapi enak main kemarinnya penalti kan. Terus ini yang bermain satu lagi si Al yang bermain. Ini si David main. Ini David mantan tahun 90-an kembali ini kan recovery namanya. Bahasa utaranya recovery itu mengembalikan semula kan. Wah, kan gitu. Sekarang kalau orang pemilihan nak tahu cara itu recovery kan. Inilah winger sama itu. Woi. Oke, good. Kita saksikan babak kedua antara saudara-saudara dari 12 masih berjalan. Terima kasih.